Well, coming back from the parts store, I got a truck won't go into four-wheel drive, so the transfer case motor is going out, so I got stuck in four-wheel drive the other day. I gotta hit it with a hammer, just like a starter, to get it to come out. But I am gonna put it in tonight, so just give me 1 second. Here's the new motor. Right there. Just 3 bolts, 4 bolts. Made in India. Dorman. It's a 600-908 for a 2012 Ram. I had to get the 2013 part because the 12, it's like a transition year. So the 12 is the older style. That's it right there. Just that, undo that plug, 4 bolts, and pop the new one in. Okay, got that out, unplugged, and you have your truck in 2-wheel drive, so this should just pop right off. Yep, just like that. And right now, see, when you turn your switch up in the cab, say the 4-wheel drive, it'll go through that motor there and turn it into 4-wheel drive, versus the old style with the linkage, which that'd be a lot easier because it's 290 bucks for this part. So I'll go get the new one. Okay, here's the new one. See, it only goes in one way. Grab one of these bolts. Well, let's give it a test. Here's my little helper toes. He's just hanging out, right, bud? Yeah. That's my little outdoor kitty. Okay. Okay. So put it four wheel. Look at that. Four low. Four low's blinking still. Let's see what we got here. We got the four-wheel drive flashing.